Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the FNTCASE for your iPhone 15. It's a case for the iPhone 15 Pro in this case. Also on the market is it available for the Plus, for example. We have here an heavy-duty shockproof cover with kickstand, rugged military grade drop-proof protection, with a matte texture, TPU protective durable phone shell. In this case, it's in blue. It's also available in black, green, orange, purple, and red. My favorite is purple, but they sent me only the blue one. We have here an upgraded sliding camera protective cover. Unique camera slide designing protects our phone camera lens against scratches and collisions too. Both sides of the sliding cover are lockable, so it protects the phone camera even if we are working outdoors or in rough conditions and so on. When we want to take a picture, we just slide it and we have a clear camera lens. And we have a built-in Kickstand Design. The built-in stand is upgraded to be more durable. It's made of new PP material. It can support higher usage frequency. The folded kickstand forms a stable triangular structure with the phone cover after opening. We can place it on a horizontal and a vertical surface. Freely, we get our hands back to do whatever we want. And we have a military grade drop protection. This iPhone 15 Pro phone case is made of PC and TPU materials hybrid. Included tempered glass screen protector. The outer case of the mobile phone is made of the PC material to keep the armor protection. The interior of the mobile phone covers flexible TPU material, which absorbs the energy if there is a collision and a shock. We have a non-slip stripes design, a matte texture design, and an enhanced non-slip stripes on the both sides of the case ensure the better grip and a comfortable hold effectively increase the friction. No worry about our iPhone 15 Pro in this case, or slipping off while we are running or doing outdoor activities. And of course, it's suitable for the iPhone 15 Pro, in this case from 2023. We have a process cutout ensuring full access to all ports and buttons. It's only designed for the iPhone 15 Pro, in this case 6.1 inches. It won't fit any other phone models, so you have to look. If you have the Pro model, this is your case. If you have a Plus model, this is your case, but you have to choose the right case because it's made for that Plus model. Okay. FNTCASE. What makes their product so unique? It's designed this series case with a stylish look and attention to the detail. It's one of the best phone case choice for over 50 million customers in more than 15 countries. If we want great protection for a phone, this case, of course, is a must-have for a cheap price. These designers of FNTCASE have been researching and developing new products so that they can create delicate products too. The principle is to make everyone's mobile phone both beautiful and, of course, make a best protection. Because here we have a military grade shockproof case for our iPhone. And it only fits for what it is made for. And in this case, it's made for the iPhone 15 Pro. It's also on the market for 15 Plus and for 15 and for 15 Pro Max and so on. It's no prop, you can choose. We have camera and screen protection at the same. That means we have a 360 degrees protection of all edges, of all sides of our phone. It's 0.06 inches with a lip which looks a little bit more forward to protect our screen. It comes with a tempered glass to protect our screen additionally. We have a fixed buckle and an 0.09 inches lip for our camera lens system. And of course we have more. We have a built-in kickstand. That means hands-free for horizontal and vertical viewing. And HD tempered glass screen protector. Scratch resistant, touch sensitive, and HD high transparency. So, your smartphone will be protected with such a phone case here. The iPhone 15 Pro case is compatible with this phone, which is made for. It's made out of TPU and PC, camera protection, screen protection, built-in kickstand, anti-slip texture, and we have a full pro body protection for our phone. This all brings the FNTCASE to us. It's an FNTCASE for our iPhone 15 Pro, Plus, Max, or what you need. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback in the hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.